local horror films?
Yes, sir. Yes, papa.
Ano ko to eh, we wanted to be sure na we stick to the genre, true to the genre, na pag horror, walang nakakatawa, walang comic relief, it's real horror. So serious siya, para mas ma-experience ng audience na yung kwento is very clearly about horrifying elements, horrifying events that eventually would, parang either disturb them or give them nightmares, so to speak. Parang it's a conscious effort from our end na to veer away and stay away from the Asian horror. No more of the white ladies, no more of the long-haired girl, no more sliding ghosts, no more grabbing from under the bed, nothing all like that. We're trying to introduce some new stuff, not just here but also in the international scene. We're trying to bring in new elements, new approach to the horror genre. Na parang for the horror fans, this is not a slasher film. This is not a creature feature, but it's more of like a story that's very scary, horrifying elements. Now, I started conceptualizing this 2005. Natapos ko last year, about this time last year, with my co-writer Aloy Adlawan, and then parang we made sure na pag napanood ng audience na inisip namin give respect to the horror fans, na pag napanood nila they wouldn't say na ay nakita ko na to, ay nagawa na yan. So nakakahiya sa horror fans eh, kasi they want something new, and we're giving them something new, and then so far we were happy that it's been well received already from a lot of critics internationally na napanood nila, and I'm just wishing that I get the same response from the local, the critics, the bloggers, the film lovers of the genre, and sana panoorin nila, because we want to elevate the genre, we want to elevate the horror, because the road was written story first ang objective, not manakot. So inina muna namin yung kwento, and then the takutan just came in. It's not just biglang ay sulat kaya tayo ng nakakatakot na ganyan. No, we just have to write the story first, and then automatically pumasok na lang yung
mga elements.
Just to me, I think also paying respect to the audience who are thinking na I think we're always underestimating our audience and the masa na ay di nila maintindihan yan. Of course not. The masa is very intelligent, and this time we want to show them that there's something new.
Congratulations.